guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm at the virtually brand new Ayia Napa Marina, and I'm starting off here at the beach. There's the beautiful beach. These are the luxury villas behind me, and they're right next to the harbour on the other side, and the beach of course. And what a little gem this is, guys. Now on this side is a public beach. Can you see the blue umbrellas? So they're part of Ayia Napa, so they're €2.50 an item here, and you can see how quiet it is. And then further around, guys, you can see the blue and white umbrellas right at the end, and they're part of the Ayia Napa Marina. And they've got cushions and they've got towels and all sorts. I do believe they were €15. And they come with a drink. I think they come with a bottle of water. But if you want to hire these ones, they are just €2.50 an item. Right, it looks like they're putting some new plants in. Look, gardeners are in, and we've got another car park here at the beach side. And it looks like that's free as well, guys, so free parking here at the end near the beach. So let me show you the work going on, guys, and the new twisted tower. There it is. There's all the stones and the foundations. Look at those foundations, they're massive. And it's quite nice because they've erected these sort of canopies things, or kind of covers, make it look pretty, so you're not looking at a building site. There we are, and there's the new marina there, you see. There's the twisted tower all finished, and the second one behind me. Looks like they're nearly onto the first floor. Okay, Stacey and Gary, let's have a look around the new marina, or newish, isn't it, guys? Now we've been here a couple times before. We actually had a nice delish meal here at this restaurant. We had a burger each, very delish. So we expect some new restaurants have opened up since we've been here. There's the ice cream shop that was here before, guys, and this restaurant here, that's where we had a burger. Now should we go up in that direction first, or guys, should we go to the end first? Should we go to the end first? Let's go to the end first, guys. So there we are, Suna Zoo. That's where we went last time to have a nice burger, and then we finished off with an ice cream. And we didn't go back onto any yachts, guys, by the way. We sort of got in the car, but if you did have a yacht here, you could nip back onto your yacht. That's particularly a nice one, isn't it, guys? That's got a jacuzzi on the top. Then we've got one here coming up. That's a nice yacht, isn't it? That's sort of silver. Lovely gardens. I love the gardens around here. And you can see the events area. There it is with the chimney. And we'll go and have a look at that in a minute. First of all, we go to the end. Here we are, and we can see the first restaurants. That's Rubicon, the restaurant at the top, and then the deli on the bottom serving food and drink. And as we go round, we can see there's an art gallery here. That's new, isn't it? Oh, that looks nice. Brand new art gallery. Some lovely works of art in there. Modern and traditional art for sale. Here we can see the Twisted Tower from here. Let's just go a little way up, shall we? Then we can see the Twisted Tower on its full glory. There it is. You see that? Oh, look at the water fountains. Great for the kids. Look at that. There we are. So the crew's going to walk through the fountain. Uh-oh. Whoa. That's not bad. I don't think she got wet at all. Well done. Okay, so we'll go past the restaurants that we've talked about. Oh. So if anyone wants a job, look, we're hiring in the ice cream shop. Oh, that sounds like a job for me. Yes, madam, what would you like? 2 scoops, okay. 2 for you and 2 for me. Yes. Be like a bar, wouldn't it, guys? Slow beer, please, and have one for yourself. 2 scoops, please, and have a scoop for yourself. Now, where was I? Oh, yes, there's a Italian restaurant soon arriving. There it is. Another one coming soon. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a pizza place. Look at that. Looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, look at that giant pizza lot. Covers 2 doors. That's big enough, isn't it? Pizza place that covers 2 doors. Ah, got another new place here. Looks like we've got a clothes shop. It looks good. Lovely clothes in there. We've got a fancy canoe. Sushi. Oh, look, sushi. Ooh, become a fan of sushi since I've been to Brodara. Look, Sunday the 4th of June, they've got the Flood Festival. Lots going on here, a lot of puppet show, flying board show, a disco. Oh, if anyone's around on the 4th of June, why not come down? Free entrance. Now here's the venue area with the big chimney. There it is. This is where all parties are taking place and all sorts of events. There's a big circle inside. Looks really nice inside there. Oh, there's the Twisted Tower. Look, they're finishing off the ground floor. Some apartments are already occupied. And some of them they're still working on. But still working on these ground floor apartments. Wow. Let's go to the top. Here we are. Look at that. That's spectacular. Wow. So there's Coffee Berry. That was open when it first opened here. More of these beautiful yachts everywhere. There we are. Look at that, everything brand new. Look at the amazing colour of the water, blue. As soon as the breakwater goes in, the colour of the water in here changes colour. It goes this turquoisey blue. It is amazing. And look at that lovely yacht there. That's for sale. Oh, how about that, guys? Look. It's got square windows down below. And I think it's got a steering wheel inside and one at the top. Oh, there you go. There's a candidate. If anyone fancies a yacht. That's the Ayia Napa Marina patrol boat. If you're coming in, you can always radio the marina, tell them you're coming in, and they'll find you a berth according to the size of your boat, and they'll come out and guide you in. There's the yacht chandeliers at the end, and there's the dry docks just beyond this mesh. Let's walk round the back, shall we? Beautiful gardens everywhere. We've got go-karts as well now. There we are. Some go-karts everywhere. Oh, this is quite new, guys. This was all shut last time we were here, all cordoned off, and now it's open. And as I said, they're finishing off the twisted tower. And this is the showroom if you want to buy a place here. Let's just have a look at the model. Oh look, there's the model. Now I think that's the twisted tower that's ready, and there's the one going up now. There's the beach we've been to, and these beautiful luxury houses all along. That's the beach houses we saw, and then the marina's got its own little island. There we are, there's a dry dock there. And the breakwater. And then there's another beach, this little beach here. That's just down there on the left. Oh, that lovely olive tree. We're going to walk around the back here because there are some more shops at the back. Oh, what's going on here? It's a little noisy. Ah, they're taking the scaffolding down. Yeah, they've finished this area on the outside and they're taking all the scaffolding down. So you can see that it's really nearly finished. Gardens going in, look at this. It's beautiful. Everything's so crystal clean and new. There's some more shops here at the back. Don't know what's this one. Oh, what's this going in? Looks like some sort of beauty place. There we are. Hair restoration, non-surgical facials, cosmetic surgery. Oh, some beauty things going on there. There's the yacht sales office. There's another one, and then they've got on display one of their smaller yachts for sale. There it is. That's the Sea Ray. Oh, it's a lovely colour. Isn't it beautiful? Let's have a look at the price. Yeah, it's 2.6 metres, this particular one, and it is just under 70,000 plus VAT. If I like the colour, we could paint our little dinghy that colour, couldn't we, guys? Lovely dark blue. A little bit of inspiration. Now there's the supermarket. We'll go into the supermarket, get some milk. That's Alpha Mega. That's been open since this place opened up. Right, so we've picked up our shopping. Oh, there's a pharmacy, that's new. Oh, pharmacy at the end. More gardens. Look at these trees you can relax under. It's ideal, isn't it, guys? And then there are some more retail shops, guys, up for grabs. There we are. Oh, look at this going in. Tiffany Mare. Looks nice, but nothing there at the moment. The shelves are going in. So you can see the twisted tower from this side. There it is. So there we are, guys, a little stroll around the brand new Ayia Napa Marina. A little update for you guys. Isn't it beautiful round here? I like the beaches. We're really quiet down that public beach on the right. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.